Welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through the brand new redesigned 210 SPX by Sea Ray. This is going to be a 21-foot bow rider, and this one is going to have a very nice appointed interior. Up here in the bow, we are going to have the bow filler package, so you can have a nice playpen style bow, and then you can remove this center seat to have a traditional walk-through bow. You'll have a nice anchor locker up front for all of your anchoring needs. I have a tie-off cleat and a pass-through for your rope. If you walk into the boat, we will have this one equipped with your bimini top. So the bimini will open up and give you all of the space you need, or if you want some sun, you put it back in this. This is going to be the trailer position and also the stowed position. This allows you to hit top speed on the boat and also save your canvas from the elements and have that bag in the elements instead. Here at the dash for the 2024 year model, it's going to have the standard SIMRAD. You'll have a fusion radio system and then all of your navigational light, bilge, blower, accessory, and courtesy light switches. To the port, you will have the standard backrest option as well. So you have a forward-facing helm chair. You can lift it up, move it to back, where you have all of your entertainment in this back section. You'll have a nice area up underneath here for a cooler, and very convenient access into the engine compartment. This will have the Mercury 200 horsepower inboard. You're going to have the fire suppression system on board and dual batteries for you and your family to be safe out on the water. Your battery switch is conveniently located in your center walk-through. You can open this up, and on the side wall in here is your battery switch. New for the 2024 year model as well is your new swim platform. Here over the ladder, they've realized that that little recess needs a little door. So you have a little door that will close off, stow your ladder, and allow you to have one flat surface throughout. And then the built-in backrest for your swim platform. We would love to show you this boat in person, so please give us a call today to set up your appointment to see it.